As we age, our homes must evolve to meet our changing needs. For seniors, safety, comfort, and independence become top priorities, especially in areas like the bathroom, where falls and injuries are common. In Mobile, Alabama, where the humid climate can affect mobility and overall well-being, installing a walk-in tub can make a world of difference. Walk-in tubs are specifically designed to enhance safety and provide a luxurious bathing experience for seniors. In this article, we'll explore the numerous benefits of installing a walk-in tub in Mobile for seniors, highlighting how it can improve safety, comfort, independence, and overall quality of life. Improved safety and fall prevention. Safety is a significant concern for seniors, particularly in the bathroom, which is one of the most common areas for slips and falls. Traditional tubs require stepping over high edges, which can be difficult and dangerous for those with mobility challenges or balance issues. A walk-in tub, on the other hand, is designed with a low entry threshold, allowing seniors to simply walk in without the need to lift their legs over the side. The design of walk-in tubs includes non-slip floors, built-in grab bars, and secure seating, all of which help prevent falls and ensure that seniors can bathe independently and safely. By installing a walk-in tub, seniors in Mobile can significantly reduce their risk of accidents, making their bathing experience much safer and more comfortable. Enhanced comfort and relaxation. One of the greatest advantages of a walk-in tub is the level of comfort it provides. Walk-in tubs are often equipped with built-in seating, allowing users to bathe while seated comfortably, avoiding the need to bend or stretch. This feature is particularly beneficial for seniors who may struggle with standing for long periods of time or have difficulty bending and reaching in a traditional tub. Additionally, many walk-in tubs come with hydrotherapy features such as massaging jets or air systems, which provide soothing water pressure to relieve sore muscles, joint pain, and stiffness. In Mobile, where seniors often deal with the effects of arthritis or other chronic conditions, hydrotherapy can offer significant relief. The gentle massage and warmth from the water can help relax muscles, improve circulation, and promote overall well-being, making bath time a therapeutic experience. Increased independence. For many seniors, maintaining independence is a vital part of aging in place. However, traditional bathtubs and showers can make it difficult for seniors to bathe without assistance. This can lead to a loss of independence and may require relying on caregivers for help. A walk-in tub restores a sense of autonomy by allowing seniors to bathe independently, without needing assistance to get in or out of the tub. By reducing the need for help, walk-in tubs give seniors the freedom to bathe on their own schedule, which can greatly improve their overall sense of independence and dignity. This is especially important in Mobile, where many seniors prefer to stay in their homes for as long as possible, and a walk-in tub is an excellent way to support that desire. Therapeutic benefits for health and mobility. In addition to providing a safer bathing environment, walk-in tubs offer numerous health benefits that can enhance a senior's quality of life. Many walk-in tubs feature built-in whirlpool jets or air bubbles that provide gentle massage therapy. This feature can help alleviate the symptoms of various conditions, including arthritis, joint pain, muscle soreness, and even stress. For seniors in mobile who experience discomfort from aging-related conditions, the therapeutic effects of hydrotherapy in a walk-in tub can be a game-changer. The warm water combined with gentle massage helps relax tight muscles, improve blood circulation, and reduce swelling and inflammation. Over time, regular use of a walk-in tub can improve flexibility, mobility, and overall health, making it a valuable investment for seniors' long-term well-being. Easier to maintain and clean. Unlike traditional bathtubs, which can have hard-to-reach corners that collect dirt and grime, walk-in tubs are designed with easy maintenance in mind. The smooth, non-porous surfaces of walk-in tubs make them easier to clean and maintain. Many models come with built-in features like self-cleaning jets or antimicrobial surfaces, which help keep the tub clean and reduce the need for frequent scrubbing. This is particularly helpful for seniors who may have limited mobility or strength, as maintaining a walk-in tub is less physically demanding than cleaning a traditional bathtub. By reducing the effort required to keep the tub clean, seniors can enjoy their bathing experience without the added stress of extensive upkeep. Added value to your home. Investing in a walk-in tub not only enhances the comfort and safety of your home, but it can also increase its value. In mobile, where many seniors prefer to age in place, adding features that improve accessibility can make your home more appealing to future buyers. A walk-in tub can be an attractive selling point for families or individuals seeking a home that accommodates aging-in-place needs. For seniors planning to stay in their homes for the long term, a walk-in tub is a valuable addition that enhances the overall quality of life and provides a long-lasting solution for bathing. Conclusion. Installing a walk-in tub in your mobile home is a smart investment that brings a wide range of benefits for seniors. From improving safety and reducing the risk of falls to enhancing comfort with therapeutic features, walk-in tubs provide a practical and luxurious solution to many of the challenges that come with aging. They also promote independence, health, and well-being, allowing seniors to enjoy their bathing experience with ease and confidence. For seniors in mobile who want to continue enjoying their homes comfortably and safely, a walk-in tub is a must-have upgrade. It's an investment that not only improves daily life but also supports long-term health, independence, and quality of life.